Hey guys, today we will be learning how to create a React app from scratch. So we will be covering these topics. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, we will go to the React official documentation. You'll download the node from the node website. You will download the latest version of node. Okay. Uh, all we need is a node and npm. Npm is a node package manager. So to create a React app, we will have to pass this command. Okay, so let's start. We'll have to start the app by going to d npx create react app my app. Yeah, so okay, so all of the packages are downloaded. So let's open the folder. Here's the folder. Okay, so these are all the files. Let us check the package.json. So we can see that react dom and react script, all of these dependencies are installed. So let us just quickly start the server. Go to the terminal, npm start. As you can see that start is for react script start. So it will start the server. Yeah. Let me push this to a new window, so it will be easy for us to switch between the tabs. It'll take a few seconds. Yeah, so it's ready. As we can see that React app is running. Okay, so let us do a few changes very quickly. We'll have to go to the source folder and app.js. Yeah, so this is the very first file. Actually, the first file to be rendered is index.js. After index.js, app.js will be uh, used. Like it is imported here, and then that's why it will be the second file that will be loaded. So let us do some changes here. Hello world, and save it. As you can see that it's reloaded and it's changed. Hello world. Okay, so let us do something. We have created the root folder, installed the packages, webpack, babel, created the files, running the server. Let us use some JSX. Okay, yeah. So let me create another component. I will have to create a new folder called components, and here I'll have to create pages and home.js. Okay, so in order to create something, we'll have to import the React from React. We have to create a function home. Yeah, home page. Okay, we'll have to save this and let us test this here. So I'll have to delete all of this and just put the home component here. It will be auto imported from this location. Yeah, good, it's cool. Okay, I just saved it and it will be reloaded. Yeah, we can see that it is here. So what next? Yeah, let me do some JSX. So you can see it is actually JSX. You can write different things over here. H1. This is the H1 text. Okay, you can see that this is the advanced. Okay, so what next? Let me use some of the styling to it. Okay, so we can do inline styling, like style equal to text align center and text color, sorry, color to red. Yeah, and we can use CSS. We can use CSS for this. um, this will be styled by CSS. So let me remove this. Okay, give give it a class name equal to test. You'll have to create a separate file for this called styles.css. Let me actually put them in a separate folder. Home, naming convention. Yeah, and it will give us error not found because the folder is changed. So I'll have to re-import it again. Yeah, it's changed. Very good. Yeah, so if you can see it's working now. I'll have to give this test class name in .css. Color equal to yellow, font weight bold. So let me check. So working. Why is it so? Test color yellow, font weight bold. Why is not it? Why is it working? Strange. Test. Oh, I have not imported yet the style. Sorry. Import. It is in the same folder. Styles dot CSS. Yeah. Now let me check. It's working. Okay. So what we have done is we gave inline styling to the first header and a CSS styling to the second header. Okay, so what next? Nested elements. So we can see that we have used a nested element in our app, like home is nested in the app function. So we can just use multiple components in the same function, like we can just repeat the same component again and again. Now it's 4. What we can do, we can create a separate page like about. Let me just do this. About and about.js. Let's quickly. Okay, export default function about. About page. Okay, so let me import it here. Let me import it here to import it. Okay, and we can see that it's working perfect. So these are the low order components and app is the high order components. So now just create, we will have to create the routes folder. So each page can be viewed separately, like it will have a separate route and it will work. Yeah, so just follow me. Let me create a routes folder. Routes and find routes.js, import react from react, export default function. We use export so it can be used in another function or file, and default we'll explain this later. Route. Okay, so we'll have to use the router react router DOM, and we will have to download it from the npm. So let me just npm react router DOM. Okay, we'll just have to copy this command and just paste it in the new terminal. It will be downloaded in few seconds. So react router DOM is installed. Okay, so let me just import it here. Import from react router DOM. Okay, let me import browser router and route. All right, remove this, right browser router route, and I just forgot switch. Switch. This should be here. All right. Control Shift F to format this route. Let me pass the path and component equal to home. Auto import the about page to give it a route of about. Alright, so just remove this from here and we can simply import the route component. What is the route has already been declared? Oh, sorry, routes. Mm, route. My routes. Okay. Let me say my route. Yeah, so it's loaded. Let me check the about page. Okay, we should give here exact, so it can only load this exact component when this is passed. Okay, Yeah, let me try this now. Yeah, cool. So this is about page and this is the home page. All right, what we did that we created a my routes component, imported the pages, and then we used the my routes component in the app component, which is the root located at the root of the project. So what else? uh, I think that's enough for today. We will continue the other lectures, other tutorials tomorrow. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Tata.